As we all know that whenever any auspicious work is to be done in Hinduism, first of all, Lord Ganesha is worshipped and only then some other deity is worshipped. And this is also the reason why Lord Ganesha is called Vignaharta. All of us who now see the Gajanan form of Ganesha have a story behind it, and today we will be discussing about that story, that is, about the severed head of Lord Ganesha. We all know that the elephant's head was beheaded and attached to Lord Ganesha's torso. But do you know where the real head of Ganesha went after the separation from his body, and where is it in today's time? Stay tuned till the end of this video to know about it. Hello and welcome to the Divine Tales. According to the legend mentioned in Shiv Puran, Lord Shri Ganesh was born from the scum of Mother Parvati. It is believed that Goddess Parvati first created an effigy of a child from the filth of her body. But at that time, Lord Shiva was not present on Kailash. After putting life in the effigy of the boy, Mata Parvati went to take bath and she said to that boy, "Vats, I am going to take a bath. Guard the gate and do not let anyone come in without my permission." After saying this, Goddess Parvati went to take bath. Meanwhile, after some time, Lord Shiva returned and started going to Goddess Parvati's bhavan. But Bal Ganesh stopped Lord Shiva from going in. Seeing this, Lord Shiva was amazed and he asked the child who he was. Shri Ganesh answered, "I am Ganesh, the son of Mother Parvati, and I won't let anyone in without her permission. And her order is that I should not let anyone go inside without her permission." Hearing this, Lord Shiva tried to explain that child a lot, but after failed efforts, Lord Shiva got angry and beheaded Ganesha's head in anger. On the other hand, when Goddess Parvati came to know about the killing of Ganesha, she became angry and moaned, which caused an outcry in all the loks. To please Goddess Parvati, Lord Shiva then cut off the head of an elephant's child and attached it to the child's torso. And it is believed that Lord Ganesha started being called Gajanan from then on. There is another story about the mystery of Lord Ganesha's head. According to another story, when Lord Ganesha was born, there was a celebration on Mount Kailash. All the gods came to Shivdham to bless Bal Ganesh. But when Shanidev came to Kailash, he refrained from seeing Lord Ganesha and started to leave. Seeing this, Goddess Parvati got angry and asked Shanidev the reason for this. After that, Shanidev said that if his eyesight fell on Ganesha, he would become obscured, but Goddess Parvati did not listen and ordered him to look at Ganesha. Then, as soon as Lord Shani saw Ganesha, his head got cut off and merged in the air. Ganpati falls to the ground and Mata Parvati faints. After this, Lord Vishnu cut off the head of a newborn elephant and attached it to the torso of Ganesha. Now these were the stories of the birth of Lord Ganesha and his head getting separated from his body. Now let us know where the actual head of Lord Ganesha went. According to religious beliefs, Lord Shiva kept Lord Ganesha in a cave when he was severed from the head. This cave is today known as Patal Bhuvneshwar Cave. The idol of Virajit Ganesha in this cave is called Adi Ganesh. Presently, this cave is located 14 kilometers from Gangoli Hut in Pitorghar, Uttarakhand. It is believed that Lord Shiva himself protects the severed head of Ganesha kept in this cave. If you know more about the mystery behind Lord Ganesha's severed head, then do let us know in the comment section. If you liked our today's story and video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and families. Also, if you're new to our channel, then do subscribe to Divine Tales English for more such videos. We will soon be back with another video. Until then, take care and be happy.